Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we make tech interviews easier for you. Today we're exploring one of the most fundamental data structures, arrays. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this video will guide you through the essentials. So let's get started. First, what's an array? In programming, an array is a collection of elements, all of the same type, stored in contiguous memory locations. This makes accessing elements fast and efficient, as each element can be accessed directly by its index. There are two types of arrays, static and dynamic. Static arrays have a fixed size, which means you need to know the number of elements in advance. On the other hand, dynamic arrays can grow or shrink in size, like the array list in Java or list in Python. Now let's talk about operations you can perform on arrays. These include insertion, adding a new element. Remember, if the array is full, we might need to create a new array and copy elements over, especially for static arrays. Deletion, removing an element. This might leave a gap, so we often shift elements to fill the space. Searching, finding an element. This can be done using linear or binary search, depending on whether the array is sorted. Updating, changing an existing element, which is straightforward since we can access elements directly using their index. Understanding time and space complexity is crucial for interviews. The time complexity is a measure of the time an algorithm takes to complete as a function of the length of the input. Space complexity is about the amount of memory used. For example, searching an element using linear search has a time complexity of O(n), as it might require looking at every element once. On the other hand, inserting an element has a space complexity depending on whether the array needs to be resized. Let's solve some common interview questions. Find the missing number in an array. You're given a list of n1 integers, and these integers are in the range of 1 to n. There are no duplicates in the list. One of the integers is missing in the list. How do you find it? Solution: calculate the sum of the first and natural numbers as sum total xn to 1, 2. Then subtract all the numbers in the array from this sum, and the result is the missing number. Maximum subarray problem. Given an integer array nums, find the contiguous subarray, containing at least one number, which has the largest sum, and return its sum. Solution: this is best solved using Kadane's algorithm, where you iterate through the array, calculating the maximum subarray sum ending at that position and updating the global maximum as needed. That's a wrap on arrays. Remember, practice is key when preparing for interviews. Try out these problems, and feel free to share your solutions or ask questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.